behind the scenes on how we shot this stop motion video for Coast Cookie Company using an iPhone and the Life Lapse app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. Before you get started, be sure to switch your phone's auto lock to never so it doesn't switch off while you're capturing your photos. To start a new project in Life Lapse, click the big blue plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Before you get started, make sure you lock your exposure, white balance and focus. We start by having a bouquet of flowers in scene. We're sliding in our hand bit by bit, taking a photo between each movement. Once the hand is touching the bouquet, we switch it out for the cookies. The ghost feature helps us line our hand back up before taking the next photo. We then slide the hand back out of scene, taking a photo between each movement. This stop motion took 10 minutes to shoot and edit. It contains 70 photos. Next up, we rotate the cookie box clockwise. As a reminder, big movements will create a fast animation and small movements will create a slower animation. This kind of stop motion would be a great idea for any boxed products or any items that you think will be great for gifting. We're rotating the box almost 360 degrees, stopping just shy of a full rotation. The cookie box is then replaced with the cookies laid out on matching tissue paper to the bouquet. Once the cookies have been arranged, the final shot is captured. Once you have all your photos, open the in-app editor. In this one, we increase the brightness, saturation, and decrease the warmth. Via the timeline, we added a freeze effect to the final frame, which you can do for 1, 2, or 3 seconds. We then increased the speed of the video. You can then do any final edits you wish to do before saving your video, which you can do by clicking the download video button at the top right hand of the screen. And here's a reminder of the final result.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this free tutorial and you want a chance to win $100 to Amazon, which is, by the way, where we buy most of our stop motion gear, please leave us a review in the Apple App Store sharing what you love most about Life Lapse. These reviews help us out a lot, and we select a winner each month to get $100 USD to Amazon. All you have to do is go to the Apple App Store, search Life Lapse, scroll down, and then click write a review. Share what you love most about Life Lapse, screenshot it, and then DM it to us on Instagram. This will take you no longer than a minute. You'll be helping us out a ton, and you'll have a chance to win $100. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be the first to know when we release new stop motion tutorials.